All right, in this week's video, we hope to get things wrapped up with this chuck wagon trailer. We've got fenders to put on. We've got the doors to finish up. We've got awnings to mount. We've already finished the roof. I didn't film that because it was pretty much the same as the floor, pretty boring. And also importantly, we've got stainless steel tables. 2 of them will be like a folding table that comes out from the trailer as a workspace, and then paint it. So let's see how it turns out. And again, in the comments, guess how many weeks it takes to film this week's video, because it's not just one, it's several. Check it out. At this point, Steve had already picked up a set of those prefab fenders from a trailer store, and we had built backing plates for them, and now we're just trying to figure out how to mount them to the trailer. You just let one rip while I'm down here.
Okay, now I'm not letting them rip.
Oh, no. Oh. I'm vulnerable.
It was supposed to be like that, John.
You weren't supposed to go out like that. I'm sorry. Here I'm just finishing up the welding of the backing plate. Here I'm welding on a 3/4 inch tube to add strength to the fender, as well as a place to mount the fender to the trailer. We discovered that the fender needed to be spaced about a 3/4 inches away from the trailer to roughly center the fender around the tire. On the left, I am electrically gluing the fender to the trailer. And on the right, Steve is beginning the process of building the table frame. Once completed, that'll be welded onto the trailer, and then the stainless table tops will bolt down to that. Now that the frame is complete, I am back to my manly arts and crafts with the electric glue gun and sticking the frame to the hinge mechanism that we have on the trailer. Alright, we're going to nutsert this guy down at some point. This is the idea. Oh, is it going to work? Oh, look at that. Of course, it's not all the way secure, but we'll put in some nutserts, hold it in place, and then this bar, as it rotates around, stops on that. See if I can get it in the camera. Alright, there we go. As this bar rotates around, it rests like that. Yeah, it's going to be like
It's gonna hold whatever I need it to hold.
What are you, 250?
300.
300, me too, yeah. Do we do 6?
Oh Jesus!
Oh shit!
Tested to 600.
And now we can move it. All right, to recap, yesterday we basically welded in all of the lower braces for the Canopy's bracket system. So we've got 6 of them all welded in. And today, doing a little bit of cleanup of that and see how it looks.
Get it done.
Put some weight to it now. Man, that looks good. Nice and tight. We're good. It didn't do anything crazy. We were all worried that it was gonna be warped after putting all that heat in it. Ta-dum, ta-dum. Oh, yes, you are right. Steve. Oh, you make messy.
I'm so excited. Holy shit, John.
Ah! That's pretty sexy. Hell yeah. There we go. Open and ready for business. Stay. It's nice. It's not just nice. It's bad. Well, after doing some video editing, I realized this video is running a little long. We didn't get a chance to show the awnings, like I said at the beginning of this video, and that's mostly due to weather. It's been either really windy or rainy, and so we've just been pushing that back. We're now to the point where we still need to wrap up a few things on the trailer, just small little minor things. And the big projects left are still the electrical system. So he wants to build basically an entire electrical system inside this box that will be, you know, he called it shoreline power, where he can hook up to like an RV hookup and run multiple extension cords off of it, or run off some battery power. He'll have essentially all the options that he needs to run anything electrical when he's said and done. And now solar is still likely going to happen, but it may be version 2.0 on this trailer. We're at a point where we just really want to get it finished and start using it, and then modify as we go. So if we do anything else cool, that'll be in future videos down the road. But I'm going to wrap up this one since it's getting a little long. And the final video should be us just maybe a couple little minor things to wrap up on the trailer, doing the electrical, installing the awnings and testing those out. And I don't know how much of the paint I'll show because we're just rattle canning the thing. Maybe just a quick time lapse of it kind of thing. But that should be pretty much it. So that's my plan, is to squeeze all that into the final video, which should be episode 6. So thanks for watching.